ITS Enclosures offers various accessories to create the perfect enclosure solution. Introducing PL4 Bolt Down Legs. Heavy-duty enclosure legs are perfect for freestanding computer and rack mount enclosures. Available in black powder coating or 12-gauge 304 stainless steel, the legs measure 3.25 inches high by 23.5 inches deep. The PL4 Bolt Down Legs can be used in place of castors on most freestanding enclosures. Bolt Down Legs are always made in the USA and ready to use upon delivery. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Products tab to find our full list of accessories.